Bienvenue sur Chanel Jeff Denis 56.
How are you doing? My name is Jeff Denis, your Creole teacher. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can form the past simple in English. How do we form the past simple in English? En anglais, je vais vous montrer qui gens sont capables de former passé simple en anglais. Pour former passé simple en anglais, on a besoin subject. On va parler de subject, on va parler de sujet qui c'est I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Plus verb. Verb la gen doit n'importe verbe. Gen doit verbe manger, gen doit verbe parler, gen doit verbe tendre, gen doit verbe courir. In past tense, les verbe là, la pour passer, simple passé. Plus object. Plus object là, m'pa connait qui ça li capable bon machine, li capable bon bécane, li capable bon voiture, n'importe ça. For example, you know, okay? So this is the way that you can form the simple past in English. Firstly, we need to know to have subject plus verb in past tense plus object pronouns. Let's see an example about how you can form the simple past in English. For example, simple past in English. First, look, we have you saw me yesterday. Translate in Creole, ou te wem hier. Nick took his medicine. Nick took his medicine. Nick te prend médicament là. In this case, we have the verb to take in the past. The past of the verb to take is took. Okay? Took is the past of the verb to take. Nick took, le dit mwen te prend. Verb take au présent, we le dit en créole, translate in Creole by prend. She gave you the book. She gave you the book. She gave you the book. Sorry, guys. She gave you the book. Li te bo livre là. The past of the verb to give. The past of the verb to be is to give is gave. Gave. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I think that you enjoyed the course, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will answer you guys in our video. Thanks a lot for being watching.